Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting into the car and powering the infotainment system. Make sure the vehicle is parked. Once done, unlock your phone and enable Bluetooth so the head unit can detect it. Next, open the car's settings or phone menu and choose Bluetooth. You will usually see a list of paired devices. Select the one representing your phone. Begin with the device entry. Some systems label it as paired devices, connections, or phone list. After you tap the paired device, look for options like Edit, Rename, or Device Info. This varies by manufacturer. Once in the Rename dialog, clear the current name and type the new one. Keep it concise so menus and speech systems display it correctly. Make sure to follow any character limits and avoid special symbols that some modules reject. When finished, confirm or save. The new name is pushed to the car's Bluetooth module and will appear to other devices during discovery. Once saved, confirm the new name shows in the car's device list and on your phone. This ensures both sides updated. If the name didn't change, disconnect and unpair, then restart the phone and infotainment and pair again. This often forces a refresh. Make sure software/firmware is current if renames fail repeatedly. If problems persist, reset the car's Bluetooth module or consult the owner manual. This clears cached entries but is rarely needed as a first step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.